Okay, so basically I didn't do an intro, but this video is basically me and my boyfriend, Ellis, going Christmas present shopping and just like, it's a good vlog, I love it. And also this was before I dyed my hair. So yeah, this is my hair now. I don't care if you prefer it brown or blonde, I like it both ways. I think I prefer it brown. Yeah, so keep your opinions to yourself. I'm joking, I love you all, let's get started. No you did not.
Yes I did.
We're at Lakeside now. I'm a bit shy of vlogging, so bear with me. We've got all the way, we've got an Uber to Bilton and a bus to Lakeside. Ellis wanted me to buy us an Uber to Lakeside, but I was good and got a bus. No!
No, the buses end at 8.
Well, okay, we'll have to get an Uber back. If he goes halves with me.
Yeah.
But we're currently in Depoponums, and okay,
yes, she's a vlogger.
Shout, can I smell this new perfume? Look how nice that bottle is. It says glass.
Are you hinting for Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas. Smell it.
Oh, guys, smell it.
Oh, shut up, Ellis. Should I get one? I really want that. To go for a Tiffany necklace, I'm joking.
Yeah, tell them what you're getting from me.
I'm getting a Pandora ring and a Tiffany necklace.
Well, you've already got the Pandora ring yesterday, you got that.
It's not looking to me till Christmas. You're getting brave, you usually get really shy, don't you?
Boyfriend goals.
I love, oh, dude. Oh, the little one's £29.
Oh.
We love it when it's expensive and your boyfriend's poor. I'm joking. I know you're bad, but I didn't want to keep you to myself.
What are you doing? Just if you got any more Murders books.
Would they?
I don't know.
Should we ask? No, you've got to go to the section.
I know. What? Death.
Crime.
Tell them what the Morse murder is.
Can you keep the camera?
Basically, a man and a woman killed loads of kids in the 60s, and it's really interesting.
Watch the film See No Evil, Hear No Evil.
No, it's just See No Evil. I don't know, should we ask someone? Because I think they only do it on eBay. He wrote an autobiography in prison.
No. Okay, so we're doing lots of Christmas shopping. I'm really excited. So I think Poundland, because they had a Poundland.
I need a wee first.
We always have to ruin everything.
Should we go Riri?
Yeah. OOTD, coat, pretty little thing. Jeans, new look, bag and scarf, Louis Vuitton, top, rebellious fashion, necklace and ring, pristine stones. Toilet time? That's weird. Shining Poundland.
We're in Poundlands. Oh.
Not you guys. All my Christmas decorations have got to be pink or white.
No, all white. Oh.
Pink.
Nah.
Elise, you can't be saying that because you're part of it.
Fuck off. Oh, you should just get a Santa hat.
For what?
Oh, everyone's got to have a Santa hat at Christmas.
Sorry. Oh. Why would anyone want a Poundland ball?
Oh, yeah. Shall we?
I'm not would I get copyrighted?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off then. We just bought our Santa hats. Is that for a thumbnail, defo? Let's go, baby. And strict hats.
Oh.
I hate lime and orange. Oh, we're going to Wilkinson. Right,
Or Wilco.
Pink or white? Okay, right. Should I get a basket? Might as well. Should I?
Yeah.
Would I be getting that much though?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Baby.
Love saying that. Is there music in it?
Oh, that.
Nah, I like. They've got to be all like a bit unique as well. So I don't want just loads of like, you know, like the white.
Boring ones.
Yeah, that's the one we're going for. Oh.
Tack.
Yeah. Do you like that? I do. Like that. Why is Ellis filming so wobbly?
Yeah.
She said when I get a chance, I will challenge. My daddy said when I get a chance, I'm gonna go for some warm gold ones this year. I'm saying them.
I think them.
That's only 50, that's 200 for £10.
Mains.
Oh, are they battery? Batteries, yeah. Yes. Oh, sick. Right, 50, do they do any more? 100, warm white. Do they do any more warm white? Am I getting warm?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get 3 of them.
I'd always buy one extra than what you want.
Meters.
God, that's long.
8 effects. That's
Oh,
sick.
that means it all
No,
flat.
select. Most likely there'll be a thing. You can click the button, select. Basically, every year, my nan used to have like these things hanging from her ceiling. Not now, because she's not into that tacky anymore. But like, do you know what these are? They open up and you hang them off the thing.
Oh.
And she gets them all the time. That's nice, but I don't know if I like looking at it. It's just that I hate tinsel. Comment down below if you hate tinsel. Like, with a passion.
Put it on your windowsill or around your mirror.
I just find it tacky.
It's nice.
I don't know.
But what else are you going to put there?
I'll get
It's not going to be
one.
very Christmassy, is it?
I'll get one for now.
With just a tree.
No, I got. No, wait, shut up.
Hang on.
Hang on. Hello. 7 please. Can I have a bag as well, please? Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Thank you. It's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Because it's different.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, and £3.99 more expensive. Oh look, they have. Should I get it? Oh yeah.
Dress up.
As what?
Oh, do you know when I was little?
Yeah.
Every Christmas I used to get my Santa costume out and do my grotto.
Look at this hat.
No.
Yeah. Running Yankee candles, get a Christmassy smelling one. It's got to be pink or... Wow. I really want that. Oh, smell that. It's not Christmassy enough, is it? It's like soap.
Do you know what we need?
A red wine. I'm
No, do you know what we need?
What?
Cookies.
I don't know. No, I hate that smell. Smell over here, look. So I hate... Oh wait, do you know what my favourite smell is if you ever want to buy me a candle? Cranberry. They usually have... Nah, that's not the one.
Christmas Eve?
It was Christmas Eve. That was nice.
But it's in a wrapper, son. That's red apple. That's not Christmas Eve.
That's
No.
really nice.
No, it's not. Try Christmas Eve.
Right. No.
No.
No, I'm going to call you my name. This is it. Meridian Cranberry. I think, no.
Meridian? Do you mean Mandarin?
Oh, that is the one.
Meridian?
Shut up. Should I get the smaller one?
Oh, don't get that.
Oh no.
What a shame.
That's well annoying.
Is there not one on display anywhere? I don't think there is.
Oh, that would be so annoying. The large ones are cheap.
Yeah, the large ones are £17.99.
Oh, that's the only one I like those smell. Let's just get that one. Oh, that's not my. Oh well. Okay, so basically my card kept getting declined in Zara, and like I knew 100% I had this. I knew I had money on it, but it kept getting declined, and I even checked in the shop, and they were like, it's because you spend too much money in a day. Contactless, and the bank think it's someone has stolen your card. Because like I've only been using contactless in the last few shops, so I just had to transfer this some money, and he had to put on his card. Yeah, that was a bit embarrassing. Magic.
Christmas magic.
Here it is.
Oh.
Should we just buy it now?
But we still need to go blue water, go ice skating.
We won't be back in time, I don't think.
Why?
The last one's at 8 to 9. and it's...
What's the time?
We ain't gonna make it, and I want to go like
Should go ice skating another day.
Yeah, I want to go to TK Maxx and all that.
And we'll get an Uber straight from here to yours. Or to Blue Water. To yours.
To mine.
Yeah.
And they make Christmas tree.
You're buying, oh no. Summer.
Don't, you know I like them. You saw I put my story the other day,
And they
you?
last you for years, I'd get that.
That's £50, Elle.
That's worth
I'm not
it.
spending £50.
Oh, look at them.
Ellie, don't entice me. Oh, check it out. What one are you getting?
That's different, I think. 15-year-old couple walks down Lakeside with a Christmas tree.
I don't know, but I've just bought myself a Christmas tree, guys. And it will come to £158 because of the baubles. Right, off to M&S. It's this way, Elle. We need to, basically, this is, I don't know if it's bad, but we're, Elle, take a thumbnail picture. Come on then. But basically, we're going to nick a trolley from M&S and walk all the way to like the TK Maxx, like the retail parks. If you live in Leicester, like Foster Park.
What?
Don't worry, it's going to be a big old trolley. We're nuts. And we've got to take it on the bus. No, we're not getting an Uber, we're getting a bus.
Putting this on the bus?
Yeah.
What?
No, we're getting an Uber. If you can go halves with me.
No, I can't.
Okay.
It's 15 quid.
I don't know. Okay, we've got a trolley and we're off to go walk to like TK Maxx and that. Oh, out there, look. We now look instantly 20 years older than we are with our Christmas tree. Some man, like, that literally like was on drugs, just went, I like your shoes, love. It's like, alright. Alright, that way.
That's illegal.
Is it? Shit, where's the pavement gone?
Where's the pavement? Oh, is it behind that? A green thing?
Yeah, go. Wait, are we going to be allowed to... Ew. Are we going to have to bring an M&S trolley in each... Oh!
Hell.
We're finding some issues. Right, you need to look after that Christmas tree because that's going to fling out in some river. Yeah. So we're going in the range first, and then we'll like do all the ones in this retail park. Then I think there's like 4 other retail parks, 3 others, and we'll do the ones that we want to go in there too. I popped into Riri's and had a look at the colour that I want. I think that colour. Yeah. So yeah, that's going to be, it won't be part of this vlog. There'll be a video going up before this, we just see my hair and Instagram post, so. Okay. In this retail park, we're going the range in B&M over there. Yeah, that's all in this one. Let's go in. I'll just get a basket in here. Yeah? This is actually a bit embarrassing, isn't it?
Like holding up the trolley. Look, look.
Oh no. Look how peng it all is, baby.
Oh.
Look at that.
I've actually just... Oh.
That's rare for you, Elle.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Oh.
Look at my baby with his trolley. Just went in B&M. Now we're going in Home Sense. This reminds me of Ellie Derby. Oh, look at all this. Look at that polar bear, Elle.
What?
The polar bear. Why is this literally is the most awkward thing I've ever pulled in my life. Oh, she's nice. Look, Elle, a bit small and nice. Alright. Oh, she's pretty as well. Her? Yeah, we'll have her. I saw my angel. Oh, at L. I really like this one. Her, look.
Yeah, it's quite big for the tree.
Yeah, let's not. Oh, right. That's my Coke. No, you got Dr. Pepper.
Oh my god, you actually spilled from drink.
You're being cheeky.
You got that
Zoom.
to the bedroom door.
It's bigger than the door rail. Oh my god, Elle, come down here. It's all cute stuff. I wish I had like a white nutcracker. Elle. And then I completely forgot to end it, but I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another video because I am actually uploading every single day up until Christmas. Well, actually, I think I'm uploading every single day of December. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. I love you all. Bye.